Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of hibiscus tea to uncover the truth about its caffeine content and explore some of its amazing benefits. Let's start with a quick myth-busting session. Many people assume that all herbal teas are caffeine-free, while most are. A few do contain small amounts. This confusion often extends to hibiscus tea, with some sources claiming it's caffeine-free and others saying it might have a trace of caffeine. So, let's clear that up. Pure hibiscus tea is naturally caffeine-free. However, if it's blended with black or green tea, caffeine will be present. Always check the label to ensure you're getting pure hibiscus if you're looking for a caffeine-free option. Another possible source of confusion is cross-contamination. Some hibiscus tea products are processed in facilities that handle caffeinated teas, leading to minimal traces of caffeine. Reputable brands work to prevent this, so opting for high-quality hibiscus tea from trusted manufacturers is key. Hibiscus tea isn't new to the scene. It's been enjoyed for centuries in places like Egypt, Mexico, and Africa. This vibrant red tea is made from the Hibiscus saptorifer flower and is rich in vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants, making it as nutritious as it is delicious. What really sets hibiscus tea apart is its nutrient-packed profile. Not only is it low in calories and sugar, but it's also a great source of vitamin C, iron, and calcium. Plus, it's full of antioxidants like beta-carotene and anthocyanins, which give the tea its signature red color and help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. One of the most talked about benefits of hibiscus tea is its potential to help regulate blood pressure. Studies suggest that regular consumption can lead to noticeable reductions in blood pressure. Great news for those with hypertension. And that's not all. Hibiscus tea also has anti-inflammatory properties, may improve digestion, and could even help with certain hormonal imbalances. So, in summary, hibiscus tea is caffeine-free when consumed on its own and packed with incredible benefits, from its rich antioxidant profile to its potential to help manage blood pressure and beyond. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of hibiscus tea. Have you tried it? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on herbal remedies and natural health.